Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, today bacha I am back with another session on the relation and function PU1 chapter, right? It's PU1 chapter number 2, relation and functions. We are doing the PYQs today. The PYQs, the part 2 of the chapter PYQs, sir. We have done all of the chapter in one session. Please go ahead and check the previous video. We have solved more than 10 questions in the session and we have learned all the concepts as well. Today we'll again solve all the PYQs and we'll see that yes, we can actually solve all the questions in the PYQs if we have done the session number 1 properly. All of you agree? Yes. So I'll solve bacha. I think there are a total of 14 PYQs I've taken last 10-12 years paper. So we'll see that, we'll solve that. I hope that is okay. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. I will go ahead and solve the questions right now. Okay. So chaliye, question number 1 for all of you will be like this: which one of the following is not correct for the features of exponential function? Remember I taught exponential function, right? The base condition, okay, how the graph will look like. I'll show you again, don't worry. Function given by fx equals to b power x, where b greater than 1. B is greater than 1. This is very, very important. B greater than 1 means bacha, the graph will be this, right? The graph will be this, right? What is this value bacha? 0, 1, right? Okay, so the function is given as y equals to b power x. No confusion whatsoever here, sir. Let's read the statement. For very large negative value of x, large negative value of x is here, sir, minus infinity. Large negative value of x, sir, minus infinity. What has happened to the function? Close to 0, not 0, close to 0. Correct, sir? Statement is correct, no? Is it becoming 0? No, coming close to 0 but not becoming 0. So statement 1 is correct. We are looking for incorrect statement. We are looking for incorrect statement. Incorrect, not correct. Very, very important. Not correct statement. Okay. Chaliye. Next bacha, the domain of the function is R. Correct, na? All real numbers. Domain is domain is all real, sir. From negative to positive infinity, all real numbers are acceptable in domain. Okay. Option number C, the point 1, 0 is always on the graph. 1, 0? No, 0, 1 is there, no? 1, 0 how? 1, 0 is here, sir. 1, 0 is on the x-axis, right? How can that be there? Never. This graph can never become 0. This graph can never become 0. We said, na, whatever value you take for x, it'll never be 0. It'll never be, 0, okay? For that reason, so option C is the incorrect option. It means our required answer is option number C. Option C is the incorrect option. If you want, we can read the statement number 4 also. The range of the function is positive. Correct? No, all positive. It can be 0? Never, sir. Answer is simply option number C, which is the incorrect option. Clear hai? Moving on to question number 2. If fx is 2x square, then find. Oh, sir. Let's find it, sir. Looks difficult? Actually, very simple. Check here, f of 3.8 is there, na? I can add the function directly. Function is given here as, sir, this. So replace x with this value. So sir, it will become 2 times of 3.8 the whole square minus, sir, 2 times of 4 square divided by what I have, sir? 3.8 minus 4, sir. Simple enough or not? Can we take 2 common in the numerator? Of course we can do it, sir. Let's take 2 common. What I get? 3.8 ka square minus 4 ka square divided by 3.8 minus 4, na, sir. A minus b into a plus b. Why, sir? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. Sorry, yeah. So I can write this a minus b into a plus b. I have what in the denominator? Only a minus b. Cancel them, sir. What will happen? If you cancel them, I'll have simply 2 will be there. Of course, 2 will be there. Then addition of this 2. 3.8 plus 4, na, sir. All of you agree, right? This is the final answer, bacha. $15.6. Option number D is correct. I hope you're getting this step. Let me know if you're not getting it this step. Let me know in the comment section for question number 2, step 2 to 3, if you're getting it or not. Yes, step 2, sir. Step 2 you're getting it, sir. Step 3 you're getting it, sir. Let me know. Question number 2, step 3, got it, sir. Let me know in the comment section. I'll move on to question number 3 now. I'm leaving it to you. If you have a doubt, you have to ask. Okay, chaliye. The range of the function fx equals to, range, sir. Range means y value. Y value. Let's solve it. Y equals to 9 minus x square. Take a square, sir. Y square equals to 9 minus x square. Bring this over here, bring it over here. Sir, x square equals to 9 minus y square. Sir, x equals to root of 9 minus y square. Correct, na? Chaliye. I have to apply the condition for this. This root has to be positive always. It means 9 minus y square has to be always greater than 0. Factorize this, I get 3 minus y and 3 plus y always has to be greater than equal to 0. Draw the number line. We have two numbers. One is negative of 3 and the positive of 3. Right? Think of a number more than 3. Think of a number more than 3. Think of a number more than 3. This side, sir, 4. 4. 4 minus 3 minus 4, sir, negative. This is bacha positive. Answer is negative, sir. Agreed? No? Think about it. 3 minus, if you know the wavy curve method, you can solve directly. Do one thing, take minus sign common. Start from minus, minus plus minus. If you know wavy curve method, take minus sign common here, sir, to make the coefficient of y positive. If you take minus sign common, it means you have to start from here, minus. It will become minus plus minus. You want positive, so the answer will become plus. Got your point? If not, don't worry, I'll show you from here. Otherwise, okay, how, sir? On the right side of this, take a number. Number is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 7, bacha, negative. That's why over here, take a number between them, 0 you can take. Minus 3 to 3, 0 you can take. Here, sir, 3 plus 0 is 3. And 3 minus 0 is 3. Answer is, sir, positive. Hence, positive. Over here, bacha, take minus 4. 3 minus 4, sir. 3 minus 4, bacha, how much? Minus 1. And 3 minus of minus 4, sir, 7. Again, the answer is, sir, what? Answer is minus 7, hence negative. I want the positive because, check the answer, looking for such y which is greater than 0. Hai na? 0 greater than means positive. Means what is my answer? Minus 3 to 3, both closed. Why both closed, sir? I have equality here. Both closed. Right? Which option suits? This option. This option. How come, sir? But they don't have minus 3 to 0. They have 0 to 3. That's why this answer. All of this is not working out for you, which it should. Which it should. You should know all this, bacha. This is, must do. Because when you go in inequalities, you have to solve anyway, all of these questions anyway. I'm going to teach you that, don't worry. But you should know all these concepts, right? So, let's say if you don't want to do all of this in the examination, how to do it quickly? Check the options. Check all the options. At 0, is it not defined? Is y not defined at 0? It's defined, sir. It will become what, bacha? 0 only, no? No, it will become 9 only. So y is 9. Y will become 3. Okay, so it's defined. What about 3, bacha? Even at x equal to 3 will be defined only. We're looking for range, right? So even if you check here, in this value put y as 0, x is defined. Put y as 3, x is defined. It means both this has to be closed. This here y 0 is kept open. Why? Y is 0 kept open, sir. I can keep 0 here. I can keep y as 0, get x as 3. That's okay. Okay, same, bacha, I can keep y as 3, get x as 0. That is all right. Means both can be included. Only option like this. So option A is correct. So you can choose the option like this. Hit and trial method we can also use. But I would prefer to use either wavy curve or the approach I gave you. Check the product by putting any number. If product is positive, positive, negative means negative, negative means negative. Product nature should be negative or positive. Got it? We're looking for positive, right? That's why I chose the middle part. Can I move on now? Question number 4. Chari. It's a simple question but conceptual. That's why I've given some time on it. All of you agree? Let's move on to question number 4. The domain of the function R2 are defined by this. Domain we are looking for means x value, right? This has to be positive, bacha. This has to be positive, sir. Okay. X square minus 7x plus 12 should be greater than or equal to 0, right? Factorize this. X square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 greater than or equal to 0. Take, bacha, x common is there. So I have x minus 3 minus 4 x minus 3, I have factors now, x minus 4, and I have x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, which makes the number line over here, if you check, it will become, check this out, it will be 3 here and 4 here. If you apply baby curve method, you directly get here plus, minus, plus. If not, you can put a value after 4. Take 5. 5 minus 3 positive or negative? Positive. 5 minus 4 positive or negative? Positive. 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1. Positive means positive. Over here, between 3 and 4, takes a 3.5. 3.5 minus 3, sir, positive, 0.5. And 3.5 minus 4, sir, negative, hence negative sign. Clear? Okay. Take a number below 3, take 0. 0 minus 3 is negative. 0 minus 4 is negative. Product will be positive. Right? Yes. So plus, plus. We looking for what, sir? Greater than means positive side. What is the answer going to be? Negative infinity to 3. Open, 2, 3, close, union, 4, close to infinity. Why close here and here, sir? Because there is a equality sign. Why equality, sir? Because this can be 0 also, right? Even this can be 0. It can't be negative. It can be 0. Correct? Hence the answer is option number A. Hence the answer is option number A, sir. Okay. Some mistake is there, I think, in option. I'll cross check. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. If you are not able to get, but answer is this one. Option number A is correct. Okay. Option number, there is an open sign here which can't be true. Option A looks right. Please check. Option A looks right. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to question number 5. Fourth is done. If NA, the number of elements in set A is 2. Okay. Set A is 2. So let's say I'll write the element to be x and y. है ना? And number of, this is set V also. Okay. We don't know the number of elements. Let's call this to be n number of elements. We have total of n number of elements. Okay. They're saying that number of relations from A to B. From A to B is given as 1, 0, 2, 4. Find the value of a number of elements in B. Okay. Alright, let's check, bacha. So, tell me, if it is given like this, for x, bacha, I will have, okay, this is the formula, right? 2 power, this into this, so I have 2 elements here, and this n, 2 power 2n, right? 2 power p into q is there. Here p is coming as 2. And here q is coming as n. Remember this formula, I taught you this. 2 power 2n becomes equals to 1024, right? That will become 2 power 2n equals to 2 power 10, I think. 2 power 10. Yes. So it will become 2 power, so compare the exponents now. 2n equals to 10, n equals to 5. N equals to 5. Option number C is correct. Option C is correct. Please check. Simple question. 2020, they've asked this paper in the paper. Okay. So you can see, if you've learned those concepts, the questions can be easily solved, right? The chapter itself is easy. Okay. Let f is from 2 to infinity. Domain is given. Range is from real numbers. Okay. The function defined by this, then the range of the function is how much? Okay, it's a very interesting question. Check this out. Y equals to what I have? X square minus 4x plus 5. They are asking the condition for y. They are asking range, right? So they are asking the condition on y. Okay. Let's do one thing. I can see here x square is there, minus 4x is there. I can make a whole square. Right? A square and 2ab is there. How, sir? A square minus 2 times of a into b. Right? 2ab. A into b plus b square means plus 2 square. How much is that? 4. I have 5 here. Simply write plus 1. Correct? Writing 5 as 4 plus 1. 5 as 4 plus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1. Okay, sir. So it becomes x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Here I have y. Bring this 1 on this side. It will become y minus 1 equals to x minus 2 the whole square. It will become, now take the root, y minus 1 equals to x minus 2, giving me x equals to 2 plus y minus 1. It can be minus also. can you minus also, not a problem. But just that is not a concern right now. Only concern is this part over here. We have to look for the condition on y, right? This has to be positive. Root na y minus 1 has to be positive or 0. It can be 0 also. So positive or 0. Bring it this 1 on this side. Y has to be greater than or equal to 1. It means 1 to infinity, 1 should be closed. Infinity is open. Option is okay, this is incorrect bacha. Actually this has to be open, okay? This has to be bacha open. Infinity can never be closed, right? So option A is correct. Please make this change. 1 to infinity is the right answer, okay? I missed on the bracket, but it has to be open, right? So option A is correct bacha. 1 to infinity, 1 is closed, infinity is open. Infinity can never be closed. You can't define infinity, right? That's why it's called undefined. Moving on to question number 7. Chali. Domain of fx. Domain of fx, good question. Asked in 2021. Asked in 2021, sir. Domain bacha, do we need a restriction on the numerator? Do we need a restriction on numerator? No, sir. X can be anything in the numerator. But only thing that is there, what type of function is this? It's a rational function, sir. It means the denominator can never be negative. The denominator can never be negative. I taught you this. This function, this value, 1 minus mod x. This value especially can never be equal to 0. All of you agree? Yes. It means 1 minus mod x can never be equal to 0. It means mod x can never be equal to 1. When is mod x equal to 1, bacha? When x is equals to either minus 1 or plus 1. Means all real numbers, remove this out. All real numbers is okay for domain, but this and this is not possible. So what is the answer, bacha? All real numbers except for, curly bracket will write, bacha, minus 1 to 1. Sorry, not minus 1 to 1, minus 1 and 1. What is the answer? R minus curly bracket, minus 1 and 1. What is the answer going to be? Option D. If you have taken option A, is wrong answer, bacha. Option A is incorrect, 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 incorrect 100 times. How come, sir? Minus 1 to 1. What does this mean? What does this mean? This thing over here means minus 1 to 1. It means all the numbers between minus 1 to 1 is removed from the real number set. Removing, right? Minus sign is there. Removing means even 0 is removed, even 0.999 is removed. All of this is removed. But what is the statement of the question saying? The domain part is saying only remove minus 1 and 1. Only remove minus 1 and 1. It means that real number, and this means bacha what? Individual values. So that's why minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 and 1 you have to remove, not from minus 1 to 1. What it means? Minus 1 and 1. This is the difference, okay? So option D is correct, option A is not. I hope you are clear with this. Moving on to question number 8. 7th is clear, right? Let me know in the comment section. Question number 8 now, R to R, the function is defined. There are 3 different functions given for the different values of x. I just take it on the graph just for my sake. I have here, sir, 1, 3. If after this, what is there? Function given as 2x is given. Over here I have the function as x square. Here the function is 3x. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So minus 2 will come over here. F of 3 plus f of 4. Minus 2, sir, will come over here on this side, which is the function 3x. So 3 times of minus 2 plus f of 3, sir, over here. Check the equality, bacha. Equality is over here. Take the equality in this part. It means, sir, 3 square. F of 4, bacha, this part, right? 4 will come here, no? So 4 times of 2. What I'm getting here? Minus 6 plus 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, minus 6 is 11. Right? 9 plus 8 is 17, minus 6 is 11. Option is D. Option is option number D. Please check. Question number 8 is also complete. I hope you don't have any doubt about this as well. Simple question, very, very simple. Please have a look. I'll move on to question number 9 now. Domain of the function. Now this is a good question. A very good question. You'll see now. We have to take what? To make our life easier, we'll simply take this substitution. Can you do that? Can we do that? Of course, sir, we can do that. Okay, let's do it. So, what's the condition, bacha? This has to be positive. This thing, t square minus x will become t only, no? 1 second. Yeah. Minus t minus 6 has to be greater than 0. Can I take equal to sign? Can I take equal to sign? No sir, you can't take. You can't take, right? Why not, bacha? If you take equal to 0, this will become 1 by 0. It will become undefined, na? So you can't take this. That's why this is not allowed. That's why we cannot take equality over here. That's why we can't take equality over here. Only greater than 0. Only positive we can take, bacha. Is that clear? Okay. Now factorize this. I can take minus 3 and 2. Factors as minus 3t plus 2t minus 6 greater than equal to 0. Okay. Chali. Factorize this. What I'm getting here. Is it right? Yeah. 3 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and into 2 is minus 6. Correct, right? So take here t common. I get t minus 3. Take here 2 common. T minus 3 greater than equal to greater than 0. Sorry, not equal to. I have the factors as t plus 2 and t minus 3 greater than 0, which will give me, check this out, minus 2 and plus 3. I want positive, right? Take a number over here. I get, bacha, will be 4. So 4 minus 3 is positive and 4 plus 2 is 6. So positive, sir. Positive, sir, right? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So positive. 4 plus 2 is 6. So positive. Take a number between them, 0. I can take 0 minus 3 will be, bacha, negative. Here positive. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 and 0 plus 2 is 2. So negative. So here negative. Take a number before minus 2. I can take here, bacha, minus 3, I think. I can take minus 3. It will become minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and it will become minus 6. So it will become positive. Minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. So positive. I want the, bacha, greater than sign means positive condition. Okay. I want the positive condition. If you want, you can use directly baby cup method also. Plus minus plus will come. Okay. Chaliye. So my answer would become minus infinity open to minus 2. Okay. Can I take minus 2? Can I take minus 2? Check here. If I put here minus 2, will become, bacha, 4 minus 2 will become, sir, 4 and it will become plus 2, 6. So I can't take, sir. So open union. What I have? 3, 2, 3, 2, infinity. But I don't have option like that, do I? I don't have an option like that. I have an option from, because check, if you want to take these option, no? If you want to take this option, you can't take because there's a negative sign over here. This is saying plus 2, so we can't take this option. We can't take this option, bacha, because check this out, we have 3 open here. This here has 3 closed, so we can't take option B. Okay. Why you can't we take this option? We can take this option or not. Minus infinity to minus 2 and 4. I think this was open over here. Okay, this was, I think, open over here. Okay, this was open over here. And this, bacha, will become correct answer because check this out, it's coming same, right? That's why I'm writing it as open. So again, there's a mistake in typing. Forgive me for that. Both options are same, right? So I can just change any of them. You have the answer, right? You can take any option from there. They're the same option. That's why I made this change. Okay. So what was happening over here? No, this is the same option, right? They are both inclusive of this. So I want to take that out. Make it open bracket. Make it open bracket. All right. So why this is okay now, bacha? Why it is inclusive? 3 is not inclusive, right? But any number after 3 is inclusive, no? 4 is after 3. 4 is after 3. I can take 4 over here. It will become 4 square is 16 minus 4. That makes, bacha, what? 16 minus 4 is 12. Minus 6 is again 6 only. That's defined. Not a problem. Okay. So answer is option number A. Just make this change. I have taken 2 places because of the mistake in the typing. Forgive me for that. Question number 9 is done. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 10. Let function r to r be defined by, okay, can you do this question? Simply I've done it right now. I've done this question right now. Okay, what was the way I did? 18 and 20 they have asked, bacha. Check this out. Okay, like this we have 2 branches again. 1 is there, 3 is there. After 3 I have the function defined as 2x. Here I have the function defined as x square. Here I have 3x. Okay, chaliye. So f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4 Sir, if you are having this question in the mind, sir, will the questions be this easy? That's how the questions are, bacha. You can see all the questions that we have solved so far. We have solved almost 10 questions, right? Which is going to be similar only, right? So simple questions are there, not very difficult. I hope you are able to understand that. And yes, I've taken almost all the questions for the last 10 12 years. So yes, total of 14 questions are there. Please check. F of minus 1, sir, bacha, I have to take over here only now. F of minus 1 will become minus 3, or minus 1 times of 3 I can write. F of 2, bacha, it will come over here, so 2 square. F of 4, sir, 4 into 2. Okay, what I'm getting? Minus 3. 8 plus 4 is 12, minus 3 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12, minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. So, option A is correct. Option number A is correct, 9. Please check. Okay, let's move on to question number 11 now. Yes, sir. Let the relation R is defined in N. The natural number set has to be defined. Where it is defined, A or B is the way you write the relation. You know that very well. The relation is defined like this, bacha, 3A plus 2B equals 27. Okay. So first of all, I can take option C out and option B out. How come, sir? 27 by 2 is it a natural number? 27 by 2 is it a natural number? No, sir. 9, 0 is 0 a natural number? It's a whole number. That's why both B and C are out. Now we'll check for the option A and B. Check for the option A and B. Take A as 2. Take A as 2. 3 into 2 is 6, bacha. How can 6 plus 2 becomes 27? Take A as 2 and B as 1. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7, right? Option D is also wrong. Let's check option A now. 1 plus 12 I have. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 12, 2s are 24. That's correct. 27. Second option, 3 and 9. 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. Correct. This one, 5 3s are 15. The third option, 5 3s are 15 plus 6 2s are 12. Also correct. 7 3s are 21. 3 2s are 6. Also correct. Option A is right, na? Option A is correct. Okay. So B, C, D is wrong. B, C is wrong because they are not natural numbers. Both element A and B has to be natural number, right? They've said it over here. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Let me know if you got it. Okay. 11th is done. Let's move on to question number 12. Suppose that the number of elements in set A is P and the number of elements in set B is Q. The number of elements in A cross B is what? A cross B is what? Eli bacha, simply, so n of A cross B would be nothing but NA into NB, right? That's right, no? So what I have here is 7 equals to NA is P into Q, right? Oh, great. Think about it. How can you write the factors of 7? Only one way to write it, no? 7 is a prime number. Only one way you can write, bacha. P into Q is either 7 into 1 or P into Q is 1 into 7. Your choice. Either P is 7 or Q is 1 or Q is 7 and P is 1. Have they given condition on P and Q which is greater? They have not given that. Okay, chaliye. What are they asking? P square plus Q square. If I take the first condition, P7, Q is 1, it becomes bacha 7 square plus 1 square. If I take second condition, sir, bacha, it will become 1 square plus 7 square, sir. Same thing, no? What is that going to be? 49 plus 1. Here, bacha, 1 plus 49. How much is that? Simply 50. Whether P is 7 or whether Q is 7, answer will come for P square plus Q square as 50 only. Will come as 50 only. Please check. Good question. Yes. Have a look. I hope all of this is visible to you. I hope you are having fun. Okay, this is asked in your 2022 paper. You'll let me know if you are having any doubt in the questions. Just mention the question number and list your doubts. I'll get back to your question with your answer. Okay, chaliye. So 12th is done. Let's move on to bacha question number 13. The domain of the function defined like that is, domain we are looking for bacha. It means this and this condition has to be taken individually and together. So first condition bacha, if I take for this part root x plus 2, okay, for this part if I take I have to take this thing, x plus 2 has to be greater than or equal to 0. It means x can be greater than equal to minus 2. I can take equal to also, right? Can I not take equal to? I can take, sir. How come, sir? It can become 0 also, no? It's a numerator. It can become 0 also, sir. If I take minus 2 plus 2 is 0, no problem. Not a problem at all. Okay, so first condition is giving me this. Second from here, bacha, what I have, log with the base 10, 1 minus x. So first of all, x can never be 1. One thing is, x can never be equal to 1, sir. Why, bacha? If you put x as 1, it will become 0. It will become 0, okay? One thing. Other bacha, one more thing. X can never be 0 also. X can never be 0 also. Why, sir? If you put x as 0, it will become log 1. Right, now? For x equal to 0, what will happen? It will become log 1, no? What is log 1, sir? 0. If you put x equals to 0, what will happen? It will become log 1 the base 10. It will become 0, right? This will become, bacha, what? This function will become, the function fx will become 1 by 0 plus root of, how much is it? X is 0, no? So root 2, undefined, no? 1 by 0, sir, undefined. It means two conditions are okay. X can never be 1, x can never be 0 also. Okay. Let's take other numbers, what I can do for this. And this has to be positive as well, right? 1 minus x has to be positive as well. It has to be positive as well. It means, bacha, x has to be always less than 1. Okay. Now take the number line. Minus 2 here, 1 here. Less than 1 with a open. Here somewhere will be 0, right? 0 is also open. This 0 is also open, bacha. I can take 0. So 1 I can't take, 0 I can't take. And it has to be greater than minus 2. Means from here, closed, right? It has to be closed on this side. What is the answer going to be? Greater than minus 2 means minus 2 close 2. I can take, bacha, 0. But 0 has to be open. 0 has to be open. Union, check this out. 0 open to 1 open. Right or not? Minus 2 to 0, because it can be greater than minus 2. Right? So minus 2 to 0. Okay. But 0 to 1, 0 and 1 is always open. So option number D is correct. Check this out. Minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 is closed. And 0 to 1. I hope this is clear. Here 0 is closed. That's why we can't take it. Here 0 is closed, sir. So option number D is correct, bacha. Option number D is correct. Please have a look. Excellent question. Okay. Should I explain again? First condition came from here, x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. I can take 0 over here, no, because numerator, right? So x becomes greater than equal to minus 2. Okay. Second, bacha, for log, I can't take x as 1. If you take x as 1, it will become log 0. Log is not defined at 0, so x cannot be 1. Also, bacha, x cannot be 0 also. If you take x as 0, it will become log of 1, which makes this whole thing 0. It makes 1 by 0 comes in denominator. Okay. That's why undefined. So we can't take that as well, means log cannot be 1, log cannot be 0. Sorry, x cannot be 1 and x cannot be 0 as well. After this is done, okay, what is happening, sir? I have to apply, this has to be always positive, this has to be always positive, so I have taken it over here, greater than 0, which makes x less than 1. So number line I plotted, 1 minus 2, more than minus 2, 2 and minus 2 included, less than 1, 1 excluded, 0 excluded, it becomes minus 2 to 0, 0 open, 0 to 1, both open. Please check. Good question or not? Did I do too much? No, sir. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 13 is done. Let's move on to the question number 14. 2023 paper, bacha. 2023 paper. So if fx equals to ax plus b, where a and b are integers, f of minus 1 equal to minus 5 and f of 3 equals to 3, then a and b values are respectively. Simple question, right? Very simple. Okay. Function is what? Y equals to ax plus b. We can form two equations using this and this individually, sir. First one we'll use this one, f of minus 1, sir. It will become, bacha, minus 5. Minus 5. Y is what? Fx, right? Y is what? Fx, right? So minus 5 equals to minus a plus b. Equation number 1. Next, bacha, what? Put x as 3. It will become 3 equals to 3a plus b. equation number 2, subtract it, sign change, minus, 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 b and b is cancelled, b and b is cancelled. What I get? Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, minus a minus 3a minus 4a, a equals to 2, a equals to 2. Use this in equation number 1. Okay, what I get? Minus 5 equals to minus 2 plus b, bring it over here, minus 5 plus 2 equal to b, b equal to minus 3, b equals to minus 3. Answer is 2 comma minus 3. Answer is 2 comma minus 3. Option number D, right? Okay, option C is also same. Maybe something is wrong. Okay, I think it can be a negative also over here. Please check. I think I have written this option wrong. Okay, so answer is bacha a equal to 2 comma minus 3. Okay, chaliye, so we get this as option number D. Option number D. All right, clear? Okay, before the options there were 3 different incorrect options, 2 because of the brackets, but I made the changes there. So let me know if you are facing difficulty in those questions. I am again gonna revert back in the answers if you are having any difficulty. Over here just take this, they are both what you call negative, so just take here minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, some different option is option D. I can take C also and make this negative. Either of them are correct. Just try to get the right answer. That's what it's required. A is 2 and B is minus 3. Please have a look. Okay, so bacha, this completes our session today for PYQs in relation and function for PU1. I'm telling you, this is PU1 session for relation and function PYQ. If you want to watch PU2 portions, I've already done that. I hope you know that if you are watching the session for the first time. PU2 bacha, all chapters are done in detail. Check the playlist in the channel itself. Okay, a math playlist you can check. You'll find the relation and function there. Learn it from there. Okay, another feedback you have, anything you want to ask me, let me know in the comment section. We'll complete this PU1 also very quickly bacha. I know you have a little less time at hand. I'm gonna try to complete as soon as possible to have things easier for all of you. Okay, so with this I'm going to complete the session now, and you have to keep working hard, keep smiling, and see you in the next session. Till then, take care, bye bye.